Okay guys, today we're going to unbox Luffy. It's around like $200 or something. This is very expensive, guys, okay? Oh, the box is here. And it moves. The secret, guys, is right here. Look, it does this. If you do the slipper off and 360, yeah, 360, and then, but the legs don't do a 360, they only bend. And if it's gear 5, I think it will, like, the arms are stretchy and it's made of rubber and it can fly everywhere. So let's change some of the heads. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, no. It's so crazy. And not to mention, his head pops out. His head just popped out. Oh, okay, it's hair. But this only works with this. That means if this wants to do this, wants to wear it, and it's not going to happen, okay? So, let's do the other faces that can do this hair. Okay, I do not even know what is this. It looks like it's the hair part. I'm gonna try and put it on its head over here. And just pop it in. It doesn't do anything, I think it just display. No! It actually screws over here. See this? It actually does it. Okay. And then, let's try this one. Okay. And let's try the short hair. The short hair doesn't even work for this kind of hair. This hair is very spiky. It's spiking my hands. Look, it hurts, man. Okay. And then it bends. And it just does this. His butt is just normal. And this can articulate. Oh no! It just fell off. And 360. And not to mention, here, you can move this way too. That's the same as that one. Just a pop out. And let's try to do another face with another kind of hair. Oh man. I want to say, does this look like TV Man? To do TV Man, Luffy, dun. Okay, let's do part 2 tomorrow. Okay, bye guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.